Hey guys, Michael here from Love Larn. Just a quick reminder that you've got until this Sunday, the 19th of December at 4 p.m. Western Time to enter the competition to win a multi from MowPartsOz. And that includes a selection of tines of your choice and postage paid to you, all courtesy of George at MowPartsOz. So you can go check out the original video and drop a comment below if you want to enter, or you can head over to lovelarn.com/multi and there's a competition entry form that comes directly to me as well. Good luck to all of you on that one. Of course, there is the 10% promo code in action for a little while longer as well. You can purchase your multi if you don't win one using the promo code LoveLarn10 at checkout when you buy through MowPartsOz.com.au. And of course, any multi purchased using the promo code comes with the MowPartsOz sticker, the Scott Bonnar restoration sticker, and the Love Larn sticker. So pretty cool little package deal. Don't forget to add tines to your order when you're buying one of them because they don't come with tines. And yeah, prepare to be amazed. Good luck on the competition, guys. And yeah, promo code LoveLarn10 at MowPartsOz.com.au. Check out the multi if you do nothing else. See ya.